Rugby is a fast-paced sport where you've really got to keep your eye on the ball.
When players pass the ball to one another, you have noticed that it spins as it flies through the air.
You can spin the ball in 3 different axes, end over end, along its side, or along its length.
Passing the ball head-on means that it's more aerodynamic than throwing it on its side. But why spin the ball instead of just passing it with no spin?
To find out why, we caught up with Jennifer Palmer, captain of the England Women's 27s touch rugby team.
Rugby ball is a funny shape, which means when you throw it, it tends to wobble through the air. So if you want to get a long pass, to make sure that your long pass is still accurate, you want to reduce the wobble, otherwise it can go anywhere. So if you spin it as you pass it, the ball's more likely to go exactly where you want it to go. First of all, get your hand position on the ball correctly. So if you're passing right to left, you want your right hand on the base of the ball, squeeze hard with your fingertips, and the power and spin comes from your right hand. You pass across your body. If you're passing left to right, you want your left hand near the bottom of the ball, and you spin that way across your body. And then the final tip is, once you've released the ball, leave with your hands facing the target where you want it to go.
So spinning the ball makes it more stable and accurate when passing. The reason for this is because it acts like one of these, a spinning top.
If we take this spinning top and try and balance it on its tip, it falls over. But if we give it a spin, it stays upright.
The reason it doesn't topple over is because of the law of conservation of angular momentum.
When the top is spinning, it has angular momentum. And because angular momentum is conserved, it will resist any change in its momentum.
Put another way, because the top is spinning in one axis, it will resist moving or tipping over in another axis, because that would mean changing its momentum.
The same thing happens if we try with the rugby ball. Place it on its end, and it falls over. Give it a spin, and it stays upright.
So when you pass the ball, it rotates on its side and still acts like a spinning top. Its angular momentum causing it to resist any little wobbles from side to side, meaning it's much more stable and easier for the other player to catch that all-important pass. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it around, or click on my rugby ball to subscribe. For more on the physics of sport, check out our ice skating series, and if we've inspired you to try science or rugby at home, then send us your pictures and videos on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks for watching. So spinning the ball makes it more stable and accurate when passing. Oh.